What is the vertex in quadratic equations? Imagine a roller coaster climbing to a peak or dipping down to a valley. That highest or lowest point is just like the vertex in a quadratic graph. When you look at a parabola, which is the U-shaped curve of a quadratic function, the vertex is the point where the curve changes direction. If the parabola opens upward, the vertex is the lowest point, called the minimum. If it opens downward, the vertex is the highest point, called the maximum. In a quadratic equation written in the form y equals a times x minus h squared plus k, the hk is the vertex. The h tells you where along the x-axis the vertex is, and the k tells you how high or low it is on the y-axis. The value influences whether the parabola opens up or down. If it is positive, the parabola opens upward, and the vertex is the lowest point. If it is negative, it opens downward, and the vertex is the highest point. When the quadratic is written in the standard from y equals a x squared plus bx plus c, you can find the vertex by using a simple formula. The x-coordinate of the vertex is negative b divided by 2 times a. Once you have that x value, you plug it back into the original equation to find the y-coordinate. This gives you the exact point on the graph where the parabola reaches its peak or valley. The vertex also lies on the axis of symmetry, which is a vertical line that cuts the parabola into two mirror images. This line passes through the vertex and helps us understand the shape of the parabola. Knowing the vertex makes it easier to graph quadratic functions accurately and see their highest or lowest points. Understanding the vertex is helpful in many real-world situations. For example, in business, it can help find the maximum profit or the lowest cost. In physics, it can show the highest point of a projectile in motion. When you learn how to find and interpret the vertex, you get a clearer picture of how quadratic functions behave and how they shape the graphs you see. It's like finding the key point that tells you everything about the curve's highest or lowest position.